Because we're going into Black Canyon. Oh, that's a cool picture there, G.
Yeah, we've never been into this area because you can't get to it from the highway. Anything west of Attleboro, I've never seen it.
This is a rarity in itself because the trains go west here.
Yeah.
Yeah, but once we go through Nipa, they don't. Oh, there's a cool photo. Gee, look to your left.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
That's a cool photo. It just snakes around the river.
My hand was right up against this here.
okay.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a tunnel in the sea. Yeah.
A lot of stuff.
Look at, here we go to Black Canyon. Not Clear Signal. Oh, that's a cool photo.
Is there a siding over there, Fred?
No, we've cleared the siding.
Oh, okay, so we're on single track now.
Yeah. Sweet, that's a cool photo.
So how come this is called Black Canyon?
This isn't Black Canyon. Yeah, you'll see why
I think
it's
it's
called
because
the rock is black.
really dark rock in there.
Yeah.
Is it like granite or something?
Yeah. It's
Slate?
just the way the rock is. The rock's really tall and it's black.
Okay.
And then the CN crosses over and it's on the same side as us. So I get no memory on my memory card.
Okay.
So I'm gonna want an email of all this.
Black Canyon.
Hello.
It looks like it comes down from the top of the mountain. Up, clear to medium, we're going to the siding. See how it's yellow over green up there, Pete?
Oh yeah.
That means we're going to the siding.
Nice. So we could be having a meet.
Yeah. Nick, you want some cookies?
Yes, please. Thank you.
I'm gonna steal one of those off.
This is yours.
Okay. Hang on, this is cool. Here we go. We go into a tunnel and then over a bridge, I believe.
Yes, we come out onto a bridge.
Yeah, so here we go. There's some ice.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at that. Holy cow. Oh, there's the CN bridge right there.
Is that the one we stopped to look down at?
No,
Oh no, that's a bridge you can't get
look at
to.
the canyon. That's, wow.
You going into a tunnel here or side?
Oh, now this is the siding of Black Canyon. Here we go.
And into the tunnel.
Yeah. Look at the lights bouncing off the side. Well, that's cool.
Just drop my lens cap.
There you go. Oh, that's a good size tunnel. There we come up and we curve to the left. Oh, there we go. And the CN to be right below us. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're coming up to Nipa.
Okay, so this is where
Not yet.
what we're talking
I'll
about.
take my hot chocolate. Yeah, we're nowhere close to the highway. It's on the other side of this mountain.
God,
So this is the siding and that's CN down there, correct?
That's the Ashcroft sub. This is the siding. We're on the Thompson.
So we are on the
We're on
Ash-
the main.
we
This
are
is
on the main.
Thompson sub.
Thompson sub and the CN Ashcroft
Ashcroft.
sub is right beside us.
Yeah.
this is the Ashcroft sub?
On the CN. So the
Oh, it's
CN line's the
yeah.
Ashcroft. We're on
We're
the Thompson.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nipa. Okay, so we are coming up to the crossway. So here's the crossover right here. It's Coho on the CN. It's Nipa for the
Oh.
CP.
They cross over
Yeah.
each other. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
And then you can access the CN line up here.
Yeah.
Oh.
So that's where the CN crosses back to there.
Now the CP crosses.
And then
over here.
CP will cross over the CN line up here
Right.
Cool.
at this set of crossovers. Cool. Yeah. So now, normally, if you're going west, Nick, the
Yep.
CP trains be on the CN. This is rare for the trains to go west on the CPA car.
Okay.
Against control against
Current of traffic.
of traffic.
Yeah. You'll figure it out eventually.
Oh, you're gonna fees.
Look at that rock there, GD, right?
Yeah.
That's a big rock. Oh, here we are coming up to a building on your side. He's going downhill too. Or no, yeah, you can see the
Yeah.
crest right there.
They put these on both sides.
Oh yeah. We have the meat. Yeah, CN crew.
8021.
Funny. It's all CN train.
Oh, I have 8023 and HO.
I got 8013.
Oh,
And I'd like to get an 8800.
We got a whole lot more people getting on here, I think, so.
Can we leave our stuff in the car?
oh yeah.
No, because we've got a whole load of people getting back. You can take every $1 and make it into the value of $5. So if you have cash, if you didn't bring a food donation, I'm sure that they'd be happy to take that. But to help out with that as well, I have one of our very own CP employees, and you'll notice he's carrying, I'm going to call him out here, he's got a very large check with him that he's going to present to Ms. Urquhart here. And this is for the Lytton Community Food Bank for $4,000. Now you guys came out to see a show, right? Oh, come on, Lytton, you guys can do better. Do you want to see a show? Welcome, Jim Cuddy and the Holiday Train Orchestra.
Well, they broke out the locks and they opened the doors, pushed up windows and painted the floors, grew a little garden outside in the rusted sun. Raised up the roof till it touched the sky, picked up the pieces that were left to fly, brought this building back with a can in hand. When you see trouble, you're bound to prove it off the double, 'cause you leave your mark upon everything. In your hair, those Liberty bells still ring. Wait out, you don't even mean a thing you say. So you're running in the army to do your job, kicking in doors and swinging their clubs, back in the morning to watch themselves on the news. Just doing the bidding of the money spent. If it turns out right, they'll call you a friend. One little bit of how good you really feel. And oh my,
Tracy, come up, we're going to sing a band song called This Must Be Christmas, Must Be Tonight. One.
New 2800s.
Come down to the manger, see the little stranger, wrapped in swaddling clothes, good sun. We'll start turning, torches start burning, and the on a cold night, and the angels sing.
in a situation like that,
situation like that, I didn't really look about Yep, approach to Cisco. So that track goes up to connect to CN.
Hey, maybe we can share those. I can eat yellow. Hey, I'm going too. I'm going too.
Skylar, you want cookies?
Yeah, I want my own. We have this one.
Say thank you.
Look how lucky I am.
This one?
Look.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Oh, here we go.
I've never seen that one. The bug?
Hey, let's make camping.
It looks different.
That's where we stood, right down here.
Hey.
Stood. I'll show you where we stood. Right down
We can make camping.
Right there where I was, right here.
Hey, let's go
That's where we
ahead.
did this stand.
Patties and children.
Squish out. That's okay, you can put it back. It's not even close to squishing out. See, told you. Hey, I can see you.
Yeah, we'll go down the hill. It'll level out. There'll be a ranch on the left.
Oh, what? Oh, no.
Yes.
Those cans are red and cans are green.
Yeah, exactly. That'd be going.
But he has a good everything.
There's your mile board for North Bend right there. Should be coming up to Mollison.
We just passed Mollison.
Yeah, Mollison's this way, North Bend's that way.
Oh.
So the next signal is Mollison.
Okay.
God, chocolate. I'm trying to make Imagine if we go over
We slept in the car.
What if we go over and leave chocolate? That goes flying on them. That'd be so nice.
Jingle bells, jingle bells. Jingle bells, bells.
So we'll crest the hill just at the corner up here.
Okay.
And then we'll go around a curve, over a bridge, and then we'll hit the signal at China Bar East. And then as soon as we hit the signal, specific numbers on them. It's just the twin tunnels. Because there's one right after another. There's Maddie right there. So you go through that one, come through a corner, and another one. There used to be a bridge right here on the highway. The highway used to have a bridge right here.
One more that'll be the last tunnel.
Yeah, there's 2 more tunnels at Hope, and then
I
we
had a
don't go
feeling
through anymore.
Where are you guys riding the train to?
We get off at Agassiz. That's it. So go over a little bridge, go through the town. You'll see the town on both sides, and then we're on fast track.
Bella, don't just stand there. Oh.
Sitting.
See the old church there? Yep.
Squatting.
Here we go.